Penalty. You nearly did it right, but you went back on the ball. You let it go, and then you went back on the ball.
Spread!
You let it go, and then you went back on it. On the 5. On the 5. Just holding on.
Go, Gardner!
Kennedy, ready?
To the back feet.
On me, Kennedy! On me, Kennedy! Oh! Stay. Look where you are, Rob!
Over it! No! Spread it!
Don't call it. Don't call it.
It's all good.
Just a scrum. It's just a scrum. Ah.
It's all good.
Just walk away. Yeah. 12. Calm it down. Calm it down. All right. All right. We'll do it here. It was a pass forward.
Yeah, Falter.
Yeah? Yeah, fine.
Whose ball is it?
It's your ball, green ball.
Yeah, prove it! Put it over his shoulders, watch that. Who's flying to you?
Crouch! Bind! Set!
Hold it, boys, hold it! Ah, no!
Drive him! Don't fuck!
Penalty, driving in. Driving in.
Come on, boys!
Yeah, driving in.
What was that ball,
Angle. He's always going round because of the angles.
Dave, leave it there! Fuck!
Yes, that's yours. I always mark the defence.
Good mate, good mate.
Go hands!
Just a scrum. Just a scrum.
Let's go, boys. Come on. Oh, stop.
Good tackle, but get it a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower, please. That was ripped. That's unlucky. It was ripped, but it was ripped forward, so it's a scrum.
Don't worry, mate. Don't worry.
Their ball. It was ripped, but it went forward.
All right.
We might have a few of these.
Today, yeah. Who's in there?
Dave, off and tight, yeah. Susan!
We'll just have to give it a go, gentlemen, on here.
We'll give it a go, Sue. Here we go. What was going to go? Scrum.
Yeah, give it on this. Coach! Bind! Set!
Oh, there we go. Let's go.
Tom, get it out. Bill! Again. Go left. Just spin it.
Never behind the kicker, straight forward.
Who, sir? Who, sir?
Well, somebody outside of him. Two people were outside of him. Never retired, always in front.
It's 10, sir.
Yeah, it's 10's good.
Watch the touch. On me. Spread.
Yeah, Matty.
Here's your mark.
Thank you, sir.
You cannot run forward until you've been put onside. You have to make an effort to get back, but he could have come onside, but he just ran straight 1 metre ahead all the time. Yeah. No, it wasn't actually. Somebody else. Just to say, we're getting a little bit of niggles going on, which is unacceptable. I'm getting people squaring up to each other. We don't need that in the game. So make sure that they understand that I won't tolerate that at all.
No problem,
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Boys,
watch the discipline. No more.
Just wait a sec. Just wait a sec. Just wait until the skipper gets back.
Yeah.
Okay, we can go. Advantage, green. Release! Okay, no advantage. A bit scrum.
We just go that way,
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, fine. You sure you're right there?
Yeah, fine. Big scrum again, boys.
Win it back now.
Just went forward off blue, no advantage coming.
We win it back now, boys.
Centre. T.
Get low, man.
Get in, boys.
Get low, second round.
Crouch!
Okay, then watch blind.
Bind!
Hold and
Set!
blind. Ball in. Go blind. Go blind.
Oh, shit. Get out. Good running, Matty. Good. Push out. Dive a bit.
Who's the shot?
Who's the shot?
Hope, don't do that again. Let's go then. Yes, go on. Let's go, let's do it.
Sure. Never get lower.
We've got room in the front foot now, let's go.
Keep it a bit lower on the hip. Yeah. It's only because they got. Yeah. Just be aware though, yeah? Thank you.
Let's go. Back on.
We're going too high. You've got to go lower.
You've been watching. How many? I'm not. Will wait. Hang on. How many to the card, please?
Don't worry. Don't ask for a card.
Oh, no, okay. Sorry. How many?
Never ask for that.
You're right.
Okay. I'll have a word at half time. I'll have a word.
Charlie, take it in. Charlie, take it in.
Time. I know he's maybe a bit new to the game, but he's got to go lower. That's twice now he's done it.
Good fucking scrum, Sav. Fucking straight again. And again, come on, Dave.
Fine.
What size? Same again. That was a better scrum, boys.
Come on, Dave. There's always a Dave.
Hold it there, yeah?
Down lower. Shoulder.
That's it.
Shoulder on the goal.
Go Phillies!
Crouch!
Yeah, I'll come round.
Bind! Set!
Ball in.
Stay there.
Where is it? Let's go.
Beyond there.
Hopefully, let's get up. Hopefully, let's go in one every time. Get in front of him.
This is your mark.
Get him in front.
Your mark.
Let's sit here. Just sit there. Yeah? Sit right there, that's it.
Dave, I need a call, come on. Dave, come on.
You've got 30 seconds, gentlemen.
30 seconds.
Come on.
Time's on, let's go. Pressure's on.
Settle. Go middle.
Down. Not straight. Charlie. Yes, down.
Hey, leave it. Nothing there. There was nothing there.
Go, boys, numbers. Charlie on your boy. Right on. Quality chase, Leicester. And you off. Great work, mate.
Let's fucking win it back here, boys. Come on.
Choose it.
Tight, can't wait.
Right, just get the shoulder. Just say centre line in, so centre line.
Let's just keep that structure.
Yeah.
Boys, test one.
Tom,
Yeah.
don't go past the tunnel. Yeah. Don't go past the tunnel. You.
I was on the line, yeah?
Yeah, well, you're borderline there. So this is outside, just so you know. This is outside. If it comes to you, it's outside.
Outside the 22.
It's outside the 22, okay?
Engine! Go!
Now, get up. Fucking down! Yes, Tom! Fucking it!
Dive on it! That's a goal line drop! Goal line drop on the 5!
Lads, mark you though. Go long.
Ole, good to
Get
see you.
hold, Matty.
On the line.
Got to be behind the kicker as well. Behind the line, behind the kicker.
Boys,
Behind the kicker. Behind one. Back in.
Darren, you behind the kicker.
Darren, back.
Ollie's right.
Go on, relax.
Get with him.
Go lower, 7 next time. Go lower.
One more! Go, Tom!
Back foot.
Ready! Yes, boys!
That's already gone forward off his hand.
Boys, let's look up!
It came
Charlie! Forward, Dan, good work, mate. Charlie, in that case, back to yourself, bro. Go for it.
John there, bro. Never really got to.
Seconds in.
Two. No advantage because it hit me as it went forward out of the hand, so I just scored it.
Diamond! Two.
Okay. Back on. Let's go.
Crouch!
Fucking down! Yes, Tom! Fucking it!
Dive on it! That's a goal line drop! Goal line drop on the 5!
Lads, mark you though. Go long.
Ole, good to
Get
see you.
hold, Matty.
On the line.
Got to be behind the kicker as well. Behind the line, behind the kicker.
Boys,
Behind the kicker. Behind one. Back in.
Darren, you behind the kicker.
Darren, back.
Ollie's right.
Go on, relax.
One X back.
Who's that, mate?
Stay in. Yes, Pablo, hold on. Get with him.
Go lower, 7, next time, go lower.
One more. Go.
Back foot.
Ready! Yes, boys!
That's already gone forward off his hand.
Boys, let's look up!
Came
Charlie, come on. Forward, quick. Dan, good work, mate. Charlie, in that case, back to yourself, bro. Go for it.
John there, bro. Never really got to.
Seconds in.
Two. No advantage because it hit me as it went forward out of the hand, so I just scored it.
Diamond. Scissors.
Okay. Back row. Let's go.
Crouch!
Boy. 48.
Bind! Set!
Ready?
Take the ball. No export.
You walked away. Okay, that just went forward off blue first. Scrum on the 5.
Let's scrum.
Forward off blue.
I'll ball.
Yeah, but your ball.
Come on.